Gurudev. Dear children, good morning to everybody. I am fine. I hope you are all safe by staying home. Dear students, in this class we should be discussing about cubes and cube roots. Okay, so in the previous classes we learned about the square and square roots. Yes, so based on that only cubes and cube roots also we should be discussing about it. Okay, so what is cube, dear children? So cube is nothing but is a number is multiplied by itself as 3 times. How many times is? 3 times want to be multiplied same number. For example, if we take it as a 2. 2 is multiplied with 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Means is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Yes. Now 8 how we should be writing means is 2 cube. Okay. So like I said, then the resultant product is called as a perfect cube. Okay, so for example, 5 into 5 into 5 is equals to 5 cube. S is equals to 125. Means is a 5 cube we are getting now. S, so the value will become how much we are getting means is 125. Then 125 is called as a perfect cube. Okay, so what are the perfect cube means is 1 into 1 is 1. Yes. Next 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Okay. Next 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 3 is a 27. Yes. 27. It means is 1, 8, 27 are the perfect cubes. Like this by taking this some more examples is here general formula we are deriving that. What that means is if n is a non-zero number means is it is either the positive or negative except the 0. Okay, it's a non-zero is given no. Yes, so that's why it becomes is non-zero. So want to be taken. That is n into n. It is written as n cube is called as a cube of n or n cube. Okay, yes, they should understand no. Okay, next we are going for the test of the perfect cube. Okay, so the given number is a perfect cube or not. To define that or to determine that, we are going to another example is 64. Yes, 64 by taking this prime factorization, we should be get as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times we are getting? 6 times we are getting no. So that's why it becomes is 2 power 6. See that is power will becomes a 6 now. Yes, so then 6 is a multiple of 3 or not? Okay, so always power what you are getting that is a multiple of 3 means is it is a perfect cube. So that's why 6 is a multiple of 3. So 64 is a perfect cube. Yes, one more example we are taking that is 243. Okay, while doing the LCM of the 243 we should be get as a 3 is how many times we are getting? 5 times we are getting now. Yes, so that's why it becomes is 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 means is 5 is not a multiple of 3. Is it the 8? 5 is a multiple of 3? No. Okay, so that's why it becomes is 5 is not a multiple of the 8, 3. So 243 is not a perfect cube. Dear children, understand? Dear children, we are going to the properties of cubes of a numbers. Okay, so here is properties of cubes of a numbers. What we are having that means is totally we are having 3 types of set properties is there. Okay, so what is the first property means is if a number is negative, then the cube is also a negative. For example, we are taking as a negative number is -2. Okay, so -2 we want to be multiplied as a 3 times now. Yes, so then -2 whole cube will become -2 into -2 into -2. Okay, then here is a minus into minus is plus into minus is minus. Then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. See that is -2 whole cube will become how much we got it? -8 we got it now. Yes or no? So -2 is a one of the negative number and its product also. Yes, cube of the product also how much we got it? -8 only we got it. Yes, so it means is negative of its cube is also a negative number only. Yes, So this is a first property. And the second one is, what is the second property means is, cube of an even number is always even only. Okay, cube of any even number we should be get as only even number only. For example, I am taking as a 4. As 4 cube means is a 4 into 4 into 4. As 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. As so 4 is a even number, no? As then there is cube also 64 means 64 is also a even number only. Yes or no, children? Next, so then it is a second property. Yes, then third property, cube of an odd number. Okay, cube of an odd number is always odd only. Yes, so see that is odd number I am taking now. For example, 3 is an odd number, its cube means the 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. So 3 is a odd number, its cube is a, how much we are writing now? 27. Yes, so then 27 is also a odd number. Okay, dear children, understood now?
Hope that you are all understand this concept. If you have any doubt regarding this class, please contact to me. Wash your hands by using soap or hand wash at least 20 seconds once. Wear the masks while going outside. Wherever you go, maintain social distance. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.